Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Budgey. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. Then here's my sketch underneath, and to begin we gotta draw in the bottom of the hat first. So we're just gonna draw in one line across, slight curve going up. So it's gonna be the bottom of the hat, and then from here we'll just slant up. We're gonna draw in the top of the hat first. Okay, so we'll just go up on the side, and then right here we're gonna connect it with one big curve. So this one's quite large. Okay, so that's going to give us the shape of the hat, and then from here we're going to draw in the head. So we're going to come down right here. Just draw a circle, or you can draw a bracket on each side, on both sides. And then from here just round it out. Okay, so that's going to give us the overall head shape, and let's go ahead and draw in the details inside. So right in the middle of this circle right here, make a little point. That's going to be the top of the beak. We'll slant down. And on the corner here, we'll come back to the center. This is going to be the bottom beak. Okay, so and then right in the center here, draw one line almost all the way down, but leave a little bit of a gap. And then now from this point here, we're going to draw one curve going to this corner. So just kind of slightly go up. So we're curving it up and connect to the corner. Okay, so that's going to give us the beak, and then now we can draw in the eyes. So right around here, just go up in an angle. So it's going to be right underneath the hat. So let's draw one big circle. So come across, draw another circle. And then on the inside here, I'm going to draw one more, and then I'll just shade around it. Okay, and then from here, we're drawing the cheek, so this one's easy. Just come to the side here, draw like a small egg shape. And then one last detail on the face right here. Right on this corner, which is curved down. So this is gonna be a different color. I believe this area is white. So come to the corner, just bracket down. Okay, so that's the head, and let's come back up here and finish up the little pirate hat. Right in the center right here, I'm just gonna drawing a curve going up. That's gonna be the main feather, and then for the other ones, just curve out. And then from the top here, just come back down into the hat. And then I'm gonna draw 2 more. Go up, down, so slightly smaller. Okay, and then 1 more right here. Just go out and then just kind of come back in. Okay, and then now for the little pirate skull right in the center here. Just draw in 2 circles first. I'm just gonna shade it in. That's gonna be the eye socket, and then right over it, just draw 1 curve. And then now for the bones, we'll just keep it simple. We'll just go out. Just go out like this on both sides. Come down slightly. And then I'm gonna draw same thing, but just on the bottom. And then in between here is just gonna be those teeth, so I'm just gonna zigzag all the way across. Just close everything off. Okay, so we'll leave it like that, and let's move down to the body. The body is it's pretty simple to draw. So here's the shoulder. Now for this one, we'll just curve out. We're gonna go all the way down. This is gonna be to the bottom to the of the dress. Come to the center, just draw a little curve. And then now in between here, just kind of connect it with a curve. And we can always add in some lines here for the folds, even here in the top. Alright, and then now for the arms, just come out to the side here. We'll just go out and then come back in. So same thing on this side. Come to the shoulder, just go out. And then now for this side on the hand, just come down, just 1 little hook like this. And then now for the thumb, just draw 1 curve, just go back up here. Alright, so we'll just keep that simple. And then now for the little hook, draw 2 lines coming down first. And then come down on the one inside, make that a little bit longer. Okay, so just 1 arc, and then now come back to the top here. I'm going to follow the same curve, just go all the way out, and then make it nice and sharp on the tip. Okay, and then now for the legs, we'll start right in the center here. Just come out to the side. Just gonna draw 2 lines coming down first. I'm gonna come out here, slant down, and just give this a little bit of a bump, and then close it off. Okay, so I'm gonna slant out to stop right around here, just 1 little bump, and then close it off. Okay, and then I think you got some toenails here, right? So I'm gonna start out with the center one. Just draw 1 little curve, and I'll just fill that in. And then on the side here, I'm gonna draw another one. So with a total of 3, and then same thing on this side. Alright, and then for some texturing here, it looks like it's got some lines. So I'm just gonna draw 3 lines. Start right here, and then just 1 on the bottom and 1 on top. Alright, so that is it for this budgie. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.